So once nickname has named this one, here I want to get the summary of payee amount. So I love to get the amount. So using VLOOKUP, I can rename the entire this worksheet. You know how to rename the worksheet. We said if you want to rename this worksheet, it is up to column Y. Just need to select up to column Y, then you can rename it in the name box here. You can just say pay data or this is CSV P10 data. You click the enter. So now for VLOOKUP, you'll have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the summary of pay it is in column 10, in column 20. Just a minute. So it is in column 20. So I will come here and say equals VLOOKUP. So the lookup value is we're looking for this value, comma, in which the table array is our data, which we say we call it P CSV. This on CSP. That one, comma. Now we are looking for the summary of pay or the pay amount in column index 20. Column index 20. So we will get this, then drag it down. So which means we are getting the same amount. That is the challenge with the VLOOKUP. You cannot get exactly. We are getting 56, which is the 56. Let's use the manual instead of putting this CSV data. We select it manually. That is the challenge for VLOOKUP. So maybe we select this data manual up to that point, and then click enter. Getting the same. Should not be 19. 19 is 0. Is that 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I think around 25. Okay, 13, 19 again. 1390. Simply is giving us some fake values. Let's put borders first. Let's try XLOOKUP. Lookup. So the formula is working, but now we are getting it's giving us wrong data. table array, column index 20, comma, put exact year, not available, drop here, not available. So let's change to 25, not available. So that is the only challenge with the VLOOKUP. It is not appropriate to use that one, so long as your Excel is the latest version, then you can use the other Excel function. 25, comma. I'll start selecting from this column. That's how we normally you have to interchange until you get the value. So maybe we can select from the names here up to that point. Click the enter points. Let's put 23. Let's see 23 are getting 0. Let's put 24. So we are now getting the pay. So which you can see for VLOOKUP, you have to play with the range. You cannot get it automatic. You can see we left the first column, this one, and we pick from this column. So which means VLOOKUP is not appropriate one. So let's call this one VLOOKUP. Then another one here we call XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP is much better than VLOOKUP. Reason is this one you will not get more errors. So once you name your data, you will get exactly what you are looking for. But this one, you have to interchange here, you interchange there for you to get that value. So let's compare the XLOOKUP. So for XLOOKUP, I'll just need to rename this as the names. Click the enter. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the payee. So I will just go and rename this column and then call it payee amount, and then click enter. So that is the only things for XLOOKUP you're going to rename. So it is not something that is very like more detail, like lazima utumie the entire data. So I just need to click equals XLOOKUP. From there, it will give me the lookup value. What am I looking for? I'm looking for these names, comma. The lookup array, I'm looking from the names, yenye tuliandika names. So I'm looking from the names, comma. What am I looking for? To return the array. I'm looking for the payee amount. I'm looking for payee amount. So I just need to write the payee amount here and hit the enter. It will return it. You can see this one is very simple. It's very simple, and you will get the same values. Very simple. So any questions with the VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, you have to convert the data first. So if you check this data for us, this data, it is arranged in a vertical. That's why VLOOKUP stands for vertical data. V stands for vertical data. Just a minute. So now for HLOOKUP, we have to take this data and do the upside down. You'll have to do the upside down of this data. How? So you will just need to click this hapa juu kwa triangle hii tulikuwa tumesema hapo. Hiyo utaikuwa umeselect the entire data and then control C. Now hatutatumia the same place, we want to move it to a different place, maybe kwa a new worksheet here. Nitaifanya in an opposite way. So if you want to copy data in Excel in an opposite way, unatumia kitu inaitwa transpose. So ukienda hapa, you go to paste special, can be able to see transpose. So I will copy values, or even I can copy the data, but I'll have it to do it in a transpose. So itaenda in an opposite direction. So I click OK. It's not picking. So let's try again. Let's try to copy the exact data instead of the entire worksheet. Let's copy the data, move it here, go to paste special, transpose, click OK. So you can see now we have rearranged this data in a different version. Let's try to adjust the column width. Alt H, O for format, W for column width. Let's put around 18. Yeah, we can be able now to see. So you can see this is, we can put, let's put another row here, another column here, so that you can be able to see very clearly. So these are the pins, these are the names, these are the resident, this employee type, the numbers, and then amount, benefits not given. Now I don't know what is this. This is the payee. This is the payee. So you can see now we have do it in an opposite way. That will enable us to use HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is the data for horizontal. HLOOKUP is the data for horizontal. So I will say equals HLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. And then for there, I'm looking also for this, comma, the table array, I'll go and select this data. This will be my table array. You can start, I don't know now if it will pick. Let's try. That is our table array up to this section. And then put a comma. It will ask you the row index. We are looking for this column. So we don't know it is row number ngapi. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I think it is 25. Comma, we still use the full or exact. Enter. We are getting not available. So if we are getting not available, let's leave. See this data. We can start the way vile tulianza na hiyo ingine kuanzia names to hapa tuliacha the pins. So we can try the same. It is the same with the VLOOKUP. It's only that this one iko in a different directions. So let's start with hapa vile tulianza na ile ingine. Ikapick. Comma. 25. Hit the enter reference. Let's put 24. Yeah, you can see we are getting it. Drag it down. It is moving. So the reason why we are not getting for this, if you check the reference here should be the same. It should be B2 to Q25. But if you come down here, you can check this one is B3 and this one is Q26. So which means if you drag it, your formula is moving downward. Formula ina move downward, inatoka hapa, inakuja hapa, inatoka hapa, inatoka ikienda hivyo. So we need to use the formula which we learn, F4. So we'll have to fix this section. So I will select this section, then press F4. So because I'm using laptop, I will press FN4 or F4. Huh, not get it. Let's try to fix it one by one. That one, let's try to fix B2, F that one. So now I've fixed my formula. So if I drag down, it will work very well. And see, there is no variant, the same data, different formulas. So you will get the same data, but different formulas. So any question? Any question? Tuacha nikutumie hizi data, you try. I will send ikiwa na hizo formulas. You try to get it in, you can create yours, your different columns, and then try it. You see, it is good to learn by doing, not by watching.
Yeah, this one you have to practice.
Yeah. So let me share this.
Alafu leo the 30 minutes za mwisho nilikuwa nataka tufanye hizi taxes za this month. The next month that is.
Okay.
Hii mwezi.
So maybe you can just do it in 10 minutes and then we go to 20 year.
Okay.
So you can share the screen.
Okay.
Stop.
It is telling me the file couldn't open in protected view.
Kuna password ama?
Eh?
Click hapo juu mahali imeandikwa enable.
Okay, okay.
So you will create yours. So to create a
Okay.
new column. After you copy the names. Now utaanza na VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP and HLOOKUP.
So we are looking up for pay.
Yeah, the value we are looking for pay.
Set up VLOOKUP. The lookup value
is the name. So you're looking the
is the
name.
name.
Yeah.
Iliko.
Name
So
kwa hiyo worksheet yenye umecopy, si kwa that
this
one.
one,
Comma.
comma, and then table array.
Table array iko wapi? Hizo sasa hizo data zote ziko wapi? So ndio unarudi
Easy.
kwa tumeona Excel. Unaweza try, maybe inaweza work kwa hiyo yako.
I rename.
Sema unaweza select, usiselect the
Hii
entire
one.
worksheet. Ukiweka hivyo itakupea, weka tu specific column.
VLOOKUP.
The table array
Is
select kuanzia column A to column Y.
hivyo.
Comma. Kuna mahali umeclick, unaona imeisha badilika.
I select from this place.
Column A mpaka column
Yes.
Y. Yes, tuna
Okay.
select columns, not rows. Put a comma.
A to Y.
Put a comma after your Y.
Okay.
Then the column index. So tuliona pay iko 24, so unaandika to the 24 exact number.
What 25?
Andika 25. Comma.
Exact or much?
Exact. But the challenge is your sheet, unaona still yako ina read sheet 1 instead of pay 2025. So
Okay. Let me go back from here.
Una backspace kwanza hapo. Ukiselect unaweka comma kwanza before uende the new worksheet. Unaona? So the more una move before uweke comma kwa huko mahali umeselect, inakuja the new worksheet.
Okay.
So lazima the moment ukimaliza kuselect in their pay worksheet unaweka comma before move kuje the new kuje hapo.
So niweke comma.
After year 16, then now move to your work, and then you can even they don't need even for moving because tumeshamalizana na hiyo worksheet 1, so unaweka ilikuwa column 25 ama 24.
Then I enter.
No, kuna ile ya exact false. Umeshatoa 25. Unaona 25 haiko, hujaweka comma, so lazima kwanza uweke comma before
So
move.
25.
Comma.
Exact.
Exact. Click hiyo fall.
Range and then comma.
Enter. So usiweke comma. That is the last one.
So I enter.
So it is not available. So which mean unaweza change the range instead of A1, anza from B, andika B1 up. Yeah, enter. Now change the reference because 25, it is out of range. So weka 24. Yeah, so drag it. You get, so that one is for VLOOKUP. So you have to practice more for VLOOKUP.
Okay.
Yeah. Now for XLOOKUP, you have to go and rename ISO columns. Then it will be very easy for you work for XLOOKUP. Which XLOOKUP is the best for ISO formulas are lookup zote.
Okay. So I rename iko names.
Names already hiyo iko rename, and then tunaenda mpaka kwa pay. Already hiyo kwa pay column 1.
Iko pay.
Yeah. So ukitumia tu. Yeah. So ukienda tu huko unachukua tu unaweka tu hiyo XLOOKUP, lookup value, and then unaandika hizo amount na so hiyo itakuja tu automatic.
XLOOKUP. I'm looking for this.
Yeah. Comma.
Then lookup array
Is that you are looking from the name. So the column your name.
So
names. Write the names. It will pop up. Comma.
Then,
so what are you looking at? You're looking at pay amount. So you just need to write
pay
amount. So that one is very easy.
Yeah, that one is good.
And also it is very rare for you to get errors when you're using XLOOKUP. Now so delete that because to look to make copy, I want you to do a transpose. So copy that data and paste in a new worksheet.
This whole data.
Yeah. So select hizo data to specific. You can select the entire worksheet itakubali. So select the specific.
Okay.
From here. So copy as a transpose.
We come here to paste.
Yeah. Special transpose. So now umeshaweka ina. So utatumia the same.
F.
Yeah. Sasa itakuwa your range itaanzia A2 to B that to B. Hizo ndio column range. So tumia HLOOKUP sasa. You can work with that.
So
summary yako ilikuwa sheet 1.
Ilikuwa hii.
So tumia HLOOKUP.
Lookup value is this one.
Yeah.
Table array.
Table array is utaenda kuselect from that sheet 4.
Yeah.
So pick kuanzia A2. So ukiselect hivyo haitakubali, pick specific tu kuanzia A2. That's why hizi HLOOKUP na VLOOKUP sumba. Weka kasa A2.
Hapa.
Select hizo data iende right. So tumaka hapo. Yeah, hivyo. Then put a comma. Now lazima we fixed hiyo A2 and P25.
Nizifix.
Yeah, so utatumia hiyo $sign kuzifix hizo. Unaweka tu cursor just after 2. Fixed. That is F4. Yako ilikuwa unafinya FN F4.
FN F4.
I fixed that B25 again.
Hapa mwisho.
After comma, put 24. That is the row. That one is now a row index. You can see it is the row index number, not the column index number.
Yes, yes.
Then comma.
Sorry.
Comma. Delete. Rudia tena.